Today we're going to show you around this 2019 delivery mileage pre-registered Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. This is a short wheelbase DSG version in Indium Grey, the best colour. 199 PS, so it's the most powerful engine. Got some lovely upgrades too. Factory LED lights front and rear. It's got the full styling kit with gloss black accents on the grills and mirror surrounds. This is a delivery mileage vehicle, so done literally a couple of 100 miles. Super condition as you would expect. Brand new 20-inch alloy wheels and tyres on the vehicle, along with 30mm genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Full privacy tints to the rear. Got roof rails and sidebars. It's got a bespoke premium black leather with a contrast stitch. Captain seats up front on this one. And amongst the other extras it's got, we've got the comfort dash. This basically makes it like a caravel on the dash. Heated front seats, twin electric sliding doors, satellite navigation, Discover Media, and App Connect. And the doors can work off the handle or off the buttons on this key. So for example, if we press the button, just open the doors. It's got the 2+1 seating in here, so you can easily lever this seat and access the rear. Not so easy to do with the triple. This one also has the additional benefit of a USB twin socket under both the driver and the passenger seat. Just show you the doors shutting here on the button again. Continue around the vehicle. High level rear spoiler and a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. Fully carpet and suede lined in the rear. Carpet lining to the sides and the suede lining to the roof with the LED downlighters. Also has separate switchable LED downlighters on the tailgate, which is carpeted. Again, driver's side, immaculate as you would expect. I'll show you the side profile of the vehicle. Moving into the front, it does have the carpeted cab area. Mileage today is 192 miles. It does also have the adaptive cruise control, so it speeds up and slows down according to the vehicle in front of you, and the power folding wing mirrors. One final feature is with the power folding mirrors, if you lock the vehicle and hold the lock button, the mirrors automatically fold in. Part exchange and finance facilities are available, so please get in touch if you've got an interest in the vehicle.